What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to yet another analysis of Terra Classic, or Luna Classic we should call it. Kind of like an update after I last covered it, I'm not sure, quite some time ago already, after we've broken this level I think, so about 6 days ago. And I thought it was pretty interesting what's going on with Luna Classic right now. First of all, it's in a very tough spot to analyze. I've got to be honest with you about that. But apart from that, after this break, I thought we would actually get some more bullish momentum than what we did. I mean, after the 15th of July, just for some perspective, the 15th of July, Bitcoin was around 20,900. Ever since, Bitcoin went up to 24,000 and is now 23,000. And in that time, usually what happens is because of the correlation between Bitcoin and altcoins. Usually what happens is that coins move along with that. But what happened with Luna Classic is it just consolidated, showing that there's not a lot of bullish momentum, not a lot of buyer power. And we just consolidated within this very small range between 10,000, that's what I'm naming the prices as, 10,000 and ultimately like 11,000, right? So around that 11,000 level. So you can also clearly see from the EMAs they're practically flat. So we're just consolidating now. And the worrisome part about that is that Luna Classic stayed at these levels when Bitcoin is bullish. I don't think Luna Classic is going to be able to hold these levels if Bitcoin is bearish. So what I expect is that I actually expect Bitcoin to start dropping down towards 19K again. It will take some time, but I expect that it will. So when Bitcoin actually drops down under 22,500 and that whole 22,000 level, what I expect for Luna Classic is that we'll drop down to this level right here at around 9,800 and start to consolidate on top of that. And I think this level is actually strong enough to hold us, but if Bitcoin actually gets that drop all the way to 19,000, I think Luna Classic is going to fall down all the way to 7,500. Unless something fundamentals happens, right? So unless a lot of Luna Classic tokens are getting burned, or if something else positives comes out about the whole Terra community, unless that happens, we're going to fall. But if that happens, yeah, sure, we could get another bull run, but the chances of that happening at this point of time just seem incredibly low. So yeah, obviously this is all dependent on my view on Bitcoin, but also a little bit about Luna Classic. I don't think it's strong enough to hold these levels either way. So if Bitcoin remains stable, or if there was no Bitcoin, I would still expect this, but maybe a little bit later. So in the scenario that Bitcoin actually gets up to 25,000, then yes, sure, Luna Classic could still get that move up to 12,500. But from there we would just drop down and do the same, but then later, I think. So yeah, there are some chances for some bullish momentum, but that largely depends on the market, I think. So yeah, for now, that was my analysis on Luna Classic. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover. So that was basically my analysis. So if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.